Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the features of the precision scale 10 kilograms by 0.1 grams, an accurate electronic balance perfect for your laboratory, jewelry store, or kitchen needs. This versatile scale boasts a load capacity ranging from 0.5 grams to 10 kilograms, with an impressive accuracy of 0.1 grams, thanks to its high-precision weighing sensor that delivers consistent results across the platform in just 1 second. Ideal for industrial workshops, it excels at counting standard small parts and accessories, while jewelers can rely on it to weigh gems with precision, and home cooks can measure ingredients and herbs effortlessly. The scale features a large, clear LCD screen with a backlight for easy readability, an overload alarm, and anti-skid rubber feet that are adjustable in height, along with the ability to convert between 13 different units, including grams, carats, pounds, and ounces. Its stainless steel platform can be flipped to prevent small workpieces from falling off, making it both practical and durable. Plus, it offers 2 power supply methods, a power adapter or 4Ah batteries, ensuring you have the flexibility to use it wherever you need. Whether you're in a lab, a jewelry store, or your own kitchen, this precision scale is designed to meet all your weighing needs with ease and accuracy. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.